Hello! Today we're going to be making our vegan pumpkin mac and cheese.
So we're going to be doing a creamy pumpkin sauce, and then we're going to mix that in with some pasta, and then we're going to chuck it in the oven, and then we're going to top it with some breadcrumbs and some fresh rosemary.
And we love this time of year because it's pumpkin season, but if you ain't able to use pumpkin, you can use butternut squash instead. So let's get cracking. So dice and cook the pumpkin in the oven, boil the pasta and crush the garlic. For the sauce, add in the pumpkin, the MAHI hot sauce, cloves of garlic, nutritional yeast, coconut oil, milk, salt and pepper, thyme and lime juice.
So blend all of the ingredients together in the blender, and then when you've done that, pour it all over the cooked pasta. Make sure that it's coated really well, and then transfer that mixture to an oven-proof dish. Mix together the breadcrumbs, the olive oil and the rosemary, and scatter that onto the top of the pasta. Then bake it in the oven for 15 minutes until it's golden brown, and then it's ready to eat. It tastes so cheesy because of the nutritional yeast. It's super yummy.